Okay, we are going to show you how to add applications to your device. Something like Google Classroom that might come in handy. So down here at the bottom, you have available a wide plethora of applications, and you're going to want to find Google Play. If it's not here, it'll be somewhere on your board, but you're going to launch Google Play, and you are going to go to the search function. You're going to go up to the search bar, and you're going to type in what you're looking for. So if you're looking for Google Classroom, you're going to type in Google Classroom, and it's going to pop up. You're going to click on it, and you're going to be here at this particular screen. You're going to click install, and in just a few minutes, or maybe a matter of a few seconds, it will install for you, which it's doing right now. You can see that right there. And you've got a couple options. You can open it right now, but you may want to add it to your navigation bar, your little blue bubble here. So I'm going to go back to the home screen, and I'm going to go to this blue bubble, see how that's appeared here. But you may want to be able to quickly navigate from this quick launcher. So you're going to click on the blue bubble. You're going to click the plus button, and you are going to scroll through until you find Google Classroom. You're going to click on it, and voila! Oops, apologize. Voila! There's Google Classroom. Quickly launch it. Boom, you're done.